Praise be to God. As you can see, I was accepted in less than 6 hours. This is the acceptance message. The correct method I explained for registering on this AdBlueMedia site will work for you. Hello everyone, in this video we will explain how to register on one of the strongest affiliate marketing platforms and networks, AdBlueMedia. It's a very simple method, a reliable and wonderful platform, and I hope you will like it. I will explain the registration process, and after registration I will explain how to work on AdBlueMedia, how to earn money, how to withdraw funds, the strategy, and everything else. However, if this video receives interaction, comments, likes, and many views, then God willing, we will make a follow-up video about this platform, how I work, and my strategy. Now let's get to the explanation with God's blessings. The first step, my friend, is to go to this link in the first pinned comment. This is the direct link to register on the AdBlueMedia platform. This interface will open. Here for the first name, write your first name. Here for the last name, write your second name. Here's your family name, and here's your username. You can write anything in the first, last, and first names. It's crucial that you write your name exactly as it appears, because when withdrawing funds to your PayPal account, you'll encounter problems if the name doesn't match. They might need to confirm it, etc. The username doesn't matter. You can write your name, a name and number, anything. The important thing is that you write something unique in the username field. It shouldn't be someone else's name. Here's your email address or Gmail address. It's preferable to use an older Gmail account. Don't create one immediately and register with it right away. The older the email, the better. Here's your country selection. There are many countries you can register from, but I advise you to choose the one you're currently in. I'm from Morocco, so I'll choose Morocco. Here's your street address, the address on your national ID card, or the region you are in. For example, I am from Morocco, the Tangier Tétouan region. Write Tangier Tétouan. Here in the city field, write your city. Here for zip postal, write the postal code for your city. If you don't know it, just type the postal code into Google, then write your city name. Your postal code will then appear. Here it's best to write YouTube. Just write YouTube. Here in the website field, don't write anything and don't give them your website address. Here, anything next to any box with an asterisk is mandatory. If there is no asterisk, don't fill it in. Here in the field where you will get your traffic, write social media traffic. Likewise, here for current network, there is no asterisk next to it, so we won't write it. Then click on I'm not a robot, meaning you are not a robot. Then select the appropriate option. Here for the bicycle, choose the images that contain a bicycle. Then click on Verify, if you haven't already. By answering correctly, you will be given another image and you will choose. For example, if it tells you to select images containing a car, you select the image containing a car. Similarly, if it tells you to select the image containing road signs and so on, you will complete these 3 steps. This means agreeing to the terms and policies, then clicking on Register an account. After a short wait, my friend, you will receive a message here asking you to verify your email address. Click on the message, then click on Verify Email Address to verify the email or Gmail address you registered with. As you can see, if you received this message, congratulations, you have successfully registered. Now the network or platform support team is reviewing your request, and they will hopefully respond within 2 to 5 hours or even 24 hours. The important thing is to wait approximately 1 day or less. God willing, you will be accepted.